You already know some English, but when you try to speak, your mind becomes blank? Then don't worry, because confidence does not come from grammar rules. It comes from daily speaking practice. And today, we are continuing our 30 Days English Speaking Challenge. So if you completed day 1, then day 2 will feel easier. And if you are new here, start from today. Just listen, repeat, and speak with confidence. Welcome to my channel, where you learn English naturally through listening, speaking, shadowing, and real-life practice. No boring grammar pressure, just simple daily practice that helps you speak English more confidently, more naturally, day by day. So now, take a deep breath, relax, and let's start today's English practice. In day 1, we practiced simple morning routine English. And today, we are moving one step ahead. Now we will practice school life, afternoon activities, and simple daily routine English. These are the kinds of sentences you can actually use every day.
And today, you are going to learn how to speak about all these daily activities in English. No difficult vocabulary, no confusing grammar, just simple spoken English practice. And honestly, this is how real spoken English improves, not by memorizing long rules, but by speaking simple English every single day. So if you feel nervous while speaking, that's completely normal. Everybody feels shy in the beginning. But slowly, with practice, your confidence starts growing naturally. So don't worry too much about mistakes. Just speak. Because every sentence you speak is improving your English little by little. Ready? Let's begin day 2. Now first, let's practice short and easy English sentences. These sentences are simple, but they are very useful in daily life. So listen carefully and repeat loudly after me. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I drink tea. I drink tea. I pack my school bag. I pack my school bag. I wear my shoes. I wear my shoes. Now I am ready. Now I am ready. I go to school. I go to school. I meet my friends. I meet my friends. We talk together. We talk together. I sit in my class. I sit in my class. I listen to my teacher. I listen to my teacher. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. Now it is lunchtime. Now it is lunchtime. I eat my lunch. I eat my lunch. I come back home. I come back home. I feel tired. I feel tired. I take some rest. I take some rest. Then I do my homework. Then I do my homework. In the evening, I practice English. In the evening, I practice English. Amazing! You are doing great. Now your mouth is slowly getting comfortable with English, and this is where real speaking improvement starts. This time, don't wait for me, just speak with me naturally. Try to copy my speed, my pronunciation, and my speaking flow. Ready? Let's do it together. I eat my breakfast and drink tea. I pack my school bag and wear my shoes. I go to school and meet my friends. We talk together and sit in the classroom. I listen to my teacher and write in my notebook. At lunchtime, I eat my lunch. After school, I come back home. I take some rest and do my homework. In the evening, I practice spoken English. Excellent! Now your English is sounding smoother. Seriously, you are already speaking much more English than before. Now, let's move to slightly longer sentences. This time, you will read the sentences directly from the screen. Don't rush. Speak slowly, clearly, and confidently. And remember, fluency is not about speaking very fast. It is about speaking comfortably and naturally. Ready? Start speaking. Amazing work. Keep speaking and don't stop. You know what? Most people understand English, but they never practice speaking. That's why they feel nervous while talking. But you are practicing, and honestly, that is the biggest step. So don't feel bad if your English is not perfect yet. Nobody becomes fluent in one day. Confidence grows slowly with daily speaking practice. And the best part is, you are already improving. Every sentence you speak is making your English stronger. So keep practicing daily and trust yourself. Now, I want you to do something interesting. Go to the comments section and answer this question in English. What do you usually do after coming back from school? And don't worry about mistakes. Your English does not need to be perfect. Just try to answer in simple English, because this challenge is for practice, not for judging anyone. So comment confidently and let's improve together. So, this was day 2 of our 30 Days English Speaking Challenge. And honestly, today's practice was very important because now you are learning how to speak about your real daily routine in English. And little by little, your speaking is becoming smoother, clearer, and more natural. So never think, my English is weak. Instead, think, I am improving every single day. Because confidence does not come from watching videos only. It comes from speaking daily. And trust me, if you continue this challenge seriously, you will notice a big difference in your English after a few weeks. So, Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I'll see you in day 3.